Introducing the new JVA QT 13. Not your average home security energizer. The QT 13 is the most technically advanced, powerful, and compact home energizers on the market, packed with security features designed to keep your property safe. With an impressive 3-joule output, it's ideal for residential electric fences, offering monitoring in both high-voltage and low-voltage modes. It runs on mains power with either a lithium or lead-acid battery backup, giving you peace of mind that your fence remains operational during power cuts. An onboard RFI receiver enables you to add a JVA remote, giving you the added functionality of being able to arm and disarm the Energizer from a distance, switch between high and low voltage, activate a panic alarm and trigger relays that can open gates or switch on lights. For even more functionality, an optional plug-in Wi-Fi gateway lets you do all this as well as letting you view the live voltage, receive notifications, access logs, and much more from anywhere in the world, all through the free smartphone app with no monthly subscriptions. The Wi-Fi upgrade now allows for seamless integration with up to 8 other 433 MHz compatible wireless security devices such as RoboGuard beams, passives, and magnetic contacts. The Wi-Fi upgrade also gives you the ability to program the Energizer via the virtual keypad, entitling you to all the advanced programming features synonymous with our other keypad and Wi-Fi Energizers. The JVA QT 13 combines a compact, intuitive design with a wide range of smart features to provide multiple layers of protection for your home, all from a single JVA Energizer. The JVA QT 13, real protection, real technology, real value.